Here I'll be showing you two looks in one with our beautiful dual amethyst pencil with a second option to easily add the Lazuli blue to create an ombre effect. Start with the Brow Define pencil for definition, followed by the Brow Fiber Extend for a bold brow look. Then, using our brand new brush set and Isis Sun Goddess eyeshadow palette, use the light gold on the left and gently cover your entire lid on both sides. Use the darker brass gold shade in the middle on the outer corner of your eyes and blend inwards until you've almost covered half the lid. Then use the bright gold on the right to highlight and define the inside of your eyes and along your lash line. To really make this colour pop, dip your brush in some water first, as this will help activate the pigment. Next, take your charcoal obsidian pencil and subtly line just past a quarter of your upper eyelid. Then, take our new and improved dual amethyst pencil and line the entire length of your bottom lash line. But be careful not to line all the way into the inner corner, as this can close off the eye, making it look small. Now grab one of our vegan bio lash lift mascaras and coat the top and bottom lashes. Then use our bio lipstick in Venus Pink for a soft and beautiful finish. Now, if you really want to take this look one step further and add some wow factor, take the Lazuli blue and draw on the outside corner of the eyes. Don't worry about how tidy you are, as you'll be blending this out soon. Then, using the blender tip on the pencil or the blending bullet brush, blend inwards, along the eye socket, along the lash line, and slightly down into the outer corner of the eye until the Lazuli blends seamlessly with the gold. If need be, gently brush some gold shadow over the lid where the gold and blue meets in order to achieve this look. For the final touches, line the outside corners of your eyes with the Lazuli blue pencil, then take the Isis Sun Goddess palette, wet your bullet blending brush, and gently line the inside corner of your eyes. This will help open your eyes and intensify the look. And there you have it, two fun and easy looks with our beautiful new and improved dual amethyst and Lazuli blue goddess eye pencils.